Okay guys, so this Christmas I received in my stocking, wait, let me just, some Big League Chew, and there was 3 of them, and I ate 2 of them. This is the last one. When I was chewing them, I realized that there's something in, like, there was 2 layers, so I'm gonna cut it open. You guys are gonna see what is inside. It's a hard layer. There we go. Oh. Okay, so I kind of damaged it, but as you can see here, there's a little like inside shell thing. This is cool. And then you have this thinner like piece. Get it in focus. That thinner piece. And that's like the Big League Chew gum that you would get out of a package. So I think that was really cool. So I might go steal another one from my brother and try it again. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the next one. I'm gonna try to cut this better this time. So I'm gonna take my time and I'm gonna get on the other side, because I was behind the camera, so good. Let's get an angle where you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I seem to like have broken the inside layer. So there's something in there. I'm gonna keep going. Better cut this time. Ooh, there we go. Okay. So, as you can see, this is like a shell. And it's hollow, kind of. But I think inside it, there's all this like, gum. So that is really, like, interesting. I never knew that would, like, happen. I just thought it was one big ball of Big League Chew. So, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.